Hello students, how are you? So today I thought of discussing with you about the do and does concepts. See, we use do or does in all the questions that we do in the moment or frequently. Do is for subjects like we, they, you. Does is for singular subjects like he, she, and it. Suppose I take a verb do and I am having different subjects like I, you, we, they. So obviously there I will write this way: I do, you do, we do, they do. But if I take singular subjects like he, she, and it, then does will come there. You know, we have learnt a song: singular subject, singular verb, plural subject, plural verb. Similarly, with do and does, we can form question words also, like do I, do you, do we, do they. Does he? Does she? Does it? Now, students, it's your chance. I am giving you a verb sink. Okay. And you must be finding that I have written one sentence down below: he sings every day. So, what you people are going to do is you are going to form sentences by using the verb sink. What you are going to do, that you decide, because I had already told you about the concept: singular subject, singular verb, plural subject, plural verb. Similarly, students, here we are having affirmative as well as question sentences. When I say affirmative, so affirmative means positive sentences. Like you speak English. Its question is, do you speak English? Now, if I ask you to form a negative sentence, so you will, what you are going to do in negative sentence? You will add not, right? You will add not. You do not speak English. Or do you not speak English? This way. Thank you.